I just received this drone from Holy Stone. It is the HS720E with electronic image stabilization. This looks like a higher end drone of Holy Stone's brand. All right, we got a couple seals here. Let's open these seals. Holy Stone, check that out. It's its own case. What? Oh, this is like a hard rubbery case. Whoa, look at that. That makes me so excited. Okay, so we see the drone right here in the remote. Let's take the drone out. Check that out. Holy moly. This drone is awesome. Hold these open. I'm afraid I'm gonna break this thing. What? Okay, I'm not opening it the wrong way. Okay, gotta open one first before the other. I gotta be careful with this. I just can't believe this. This is so awesome. There's the camera right there. Okay, looks like it has a battery in it currently. Looks like this is the battery. So let's just see. I'm gonna set this aside right here while we look at the other stuff. Here's the remote. Before I start doing stuff with this remote, I'm just gonna set it down and just be like, okay, let's see. See what, oh look, this case is awesome. It's got like this compartment at the top. Looks like you've got directions in there. Let's see what's in this box. An extra battery, so that's awesome. This is the battery charger right here. Yeah, it's totally a battery charger. All right, so there's that. That's like the remote charger right here. Here's the extra battery. What is this? Oh, check this out. It comes with tools. This gives me an extra little screwdriver. How awesome is that? Wow. Okay, so they sent me tools, so that's awesome. This thing fell out. This feels like, okay, I'm not gonna open this one up. This is little blades and propellers. It's extra propellers for the drone. I know there are a lot of small parts in this, so I'm not gonna open that one up. But I will open up this battery, the secondary battery. What? Secondary battery, check that out. Oh, so awesome. Holy Stone. All right, let's see if I can put this thing back together. So let's see, we know we gotta put this one in first, then this one. We gotta put this one in. No, is that wrong? This one in first, and then this one. So you gotta put those together in a certain order. And then, let's see, we got this case here. Let's see, how does this go in? I'm gonna say like that. That feels wrong. Let's turn this around because the camera's at the other side. Yeah, there we go. What? So cool. This is the HS720E series on from Holy Stone. This looks awesome. I can't wait to use this drone. So stoked about it. Thank you, Holy Stone.